Dan here for Windows 101. I'm on the job here today with the HeroAir Waterfed pole. I got some 4th story glass to clean, so the 47-foot version here is the perfect tool for the job. Let's get to work. So after using this Waterfed pole for a little while, there's a couple things I found that I really like about it. I really like these lever clamps. They're really easy to use, they give you a nice secure lock, and there's no special tools required. Each one of these HeroAir Waterfed poles is going to come with a 12-inch tucker brush. I really like that it's got a boar's hair on the inside to give it a good scrub, and then the outside's got this nylon so you can hit around the edges easier. It's going to give you a couple different options for how you want to run the water through it, which is pretty cool. It's got 2 pencil jets inside, 2 fan jets, and a rinse bar. We're using the Tucker cart here today. It's a real simple to use water purification system. You run your water from the hose right into here, turn it on. With this valve like this in open position, it's going to run wastewater through for about 2 minutes. Then you're good to go. Flip it up like this, you got pure water coming out. I really like how lightweight this pole is. It's only 7.2 pounds for a 47-foot pole. It's also very competitively priced, so you're going to see a return on your investment really quickly. I think you're going to be really happy with this.